ramping up the rescue operations and clearing out the debris. In fact, ADGP Law and Order of Kerala, Ajit Kumar, has shared more details. Let's also listen to his statement.
Doing operations here. The first day itself, we are able to rescue all the live persons from these areas. We have divided the entire areas into various zones. A joint team of the Indian Army, the NDRF, the local police special operations groups, Fire Force, the K9 squads, Coast Guard and Navy have been operating in all these areas. Last 2 days we were able to recover a large number of bodies. Still some of the areas has to be excavated more. Today probably we are, since we are more machinery, we will be able to dug and see that whether more and more areas has been explored, and we are trying to get more bodies.
All right, there of course, as far as the rescue and relief works are concerned, these are some of the updates that we are sharing with you, but we're also tracking Congress Member of Parliament and Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. His travel schedule today comprises a visit to at 10:30 a.m. to the Mundakai Forest Office in Churalmal area. He will be meeting party officers as well as relief workers, and then at 12:45 p.m. Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will both be meeting district administration as well in order to gauge what is taking place on the ground. My colleague Anand Singh still with us on the broadcast. Anand, in a mere 15 minutes or so, Rahul Gandhi is going to be meeting relief workers and party leaders in the Mundakai area.
I feel how I felt when my father died. That I've seen so many people. I remember what I felt when my father died, and here people have not just lost a father, they've lost the whole family, entire family, brother, sister, mother, father. So I know what I felt, and this is much worse than that. And it's not one person who's feeling it, it's thousands of people who are feeling it. So it's very, very sad. And I think we all owe these people respect, affection, and we should all be standing with them. And I'm very proud that a lot of people.
Anand, back to you. We of course played out the soundbite that Rahul Gandhi had given to the media yesterday, sharing his pain after meeting all of those who've been injured. He's of course equated it to how he felt when he lost his father as well.
Yeah, Pia, look, Rahul Gandhi arrived in Wayanad yesterday because one of his trip to Wayanad was delayed by a day, and it was only after Rahul Gandhi arrived in Kannur, then even Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan made a visit to Churamala after Rahul Gandhi visited that site. So, in fact, the politics on the one side is hitting up on this issue of Wayanad landslide, whereas Rahul Gandhi has said that it is not the time for political statements, but he condoled the loss of lives, and he said that he can sense the pain and he can sense the emotions of the people when he sees that how it feels losing their loved ones. And he mentioned that how he felt when he lost his father in 1991, and his heart goes out with all the victim families over here who have lost their loved ones. And he also mentioned that love and respect should be for the people of Wayanad who have lost their lives over here, and they're next to their keens who are still praying to meet their loved ones if the rescue operation workers are going to find any other survivors over here. So, mentioning all this, Rahul Gandhi is now today all set to meet first of all the party workers who are engaged in the rescue and relief operations over here. And yesterday we have shown how the Indian Youth Congress, one of the frontal organizations of the Congress, has been working on ground with its team of youth care by providing all the necessary items, whether it is medicines, whether it is food items, packed food items especially, whether it is clothes for the people, those who have been brought out, because after their houses were swept in these landslides, they could not take any of their belongings from their houses. So looking at their requirements, Youth Congress has made adequate arrangement of clothes at its youth care office just near the government hospital in Mepaddi, and even its chief Srinivas BV is also camping in Mepaddi area, and he's touring with Rahul Gandhi. They are discussing all the kind of efforts that the party is making to provide relief and other requirements that are for the people who have been taken out from those areas. So Rahul Gandhi will be also going to Mundakai forest office near Churamala, because Mundakai is also one of the tourist spots, a small hamlet of town, very famous for its tourism hill station spots, but that town has also been washed, and many people are feared dead over here, as several bodies have been recovered from there. So he will be going there. Yesterday he went to Churamala and several of the government and other relief camps, and today also he will, after visiting the Mundakai area, he will be meeting the state administration officials to gauge what kind of rescue operation is going on, and what is the extent of damage that these people have gone through, and what kind of damage this place has to go through. So these are the things that he will be discussing with the state administration people, and then he will meeting with the panchayat leaders, because several of the panchayat members have been washed away here in Mundakai, Churamala, Atamala areas of Wayanad. So from Mepaddi region, because it falls in Mepaddi area of Wayanad, so he will be discussing all these issues with the Mepaddi panchayat members over here. After that, he, along with his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, will be going back to Delhi, because Priyanka accompanying Rahul Gandhi over here in Wayanad is also significant, because Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was announced as the candidate in place of Rahul Gandhi for the bypolls, because after winning from Wayanad and Raebareli seat earlier this year in the Lok Sabha elections, Rahul Gandhi has opted for the Raebareli seat, and the party announced Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as its candidate for the Wayanad seat from here, which will be going to bypolls once the election commission announces the date. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also accompanied his brother over here, and it is worth to mention that this is not the first time that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been coming here. She has been coming every time to campaign for Rahul Gandhi, and on number of occasions she has accompanied her brother over here when Rahul Gandhi has lost from Amethi, while he won from Wayanad in 2019 Lok Sabha elections. So she has been a guiding force, a very big support for Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad. So every time Rahul Gandhi is here, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra ensures that she accompanies his brother over here, so that to look after the complete work and the connection of Wayanad.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.